Hey there, and welcome to another Dazzle tutorial video. In this one, we're going to be talking about how we can style and edit images to our liking. So, in this particular case, I've asked the Dazzle AI to generate a gallery of some mythical creatures for me. And while it did create the gallery, some of the images do look a bit out of place. Let's see how we can fix that. The first step, as always, is to head on over into edit mode. Once I do that, I have access to the toolbar at the top. I'll select one of the images and open up the media panel. This shows me that right now it's using a URL to access an external image, but instead I can select one of the assets that already exists in my project. In this case, let's pick the Phoenix. Once I select that, immediately I can see a text effect. But if I want to add another asset, I can access this same panel once more and simply paste any image I have into this panel. And once I do that, it will automatically be added to my project. We can select that and immediately see that take effect as well. And lastly, I can also select another image, go to the same panel, and this time ask it to generate a brand new image for me. So in this case, let's say fantasy drawing of Kraken. And we'll ask it to generate. Quite quickly, I have a result. I could ask it to generate again and again to see if I get something that I like a little bit more, but this actually looks pretty great in my opinion. So I'll click Add Image. This will automatically add it to my project, and now I can select it. The keen-eyed amongst you might also notice that perhaps some of the aspect ratios are a little bit off in these images. In order to fix that, we can access our DevTools. We're selected on the image, and then we can simply go over into the relevant class or rule and to apply object fit, cover, and now everything is shaped and spaced out a little bit better. That's it for this one. I hope you have fun with styling images. See you on the next one.